Hello and welcome back. I've had the privilege of seeing some of you and not others yet. If you are interested in getting your document camera hooked up with your laptop and then having some software to help the two interact, you are going to drop down here to the lower left-hand corner to the Windows icon, click it, and type in software. You're going to click on the software center, double click. It'll take a second to load. And then you're going to click on version 3. So it'll be Sphere Document Camera Software, but you want to make sure right here that it says version 3, and then click Install. That's all you need to do. Now, if this does not work for you, there are a couple things to check. You may need to make sure you're on the proper Wi-Fi. That's SMCPS Connect with a C, okay? And if that's not the case, you have directions in your email to get on the proper network. There are also directions outside of the library, and then you may need to just restart your computer. If you have trouble, send me an email and I will be happy to at least try to problem solve.